In the United States, pig farming is a massive industry powered by precision, scale, and advanced technology. Across the country, more than 60,000 farms raise millions of pigs every year. From small family operations to large industrial systems, each farm plays a role in feeding an entire nation. Today, we take you inside modern American pig farms to see how pigs are raised, from birth to market. This is Next Harvest Network. Chapter 1. The scale of production. Pig farming in the United States operates on an enormous scale. In 2023 alone, over 70 million pigs are raised nationwide. Production continues to grow, driven by efficiency and global demand for pork. Most pig farms are concentrated in states like Iowa, Minnesota, and North Carolina. These regions combine abundant feed supply with advanced farming infrastructure. Chapter 2. Breeds and genetics. American farmers rely on carefully selected pig breeds. The most common include Yorkshire, Duroc, Chester White, and Berkshire. Among them, the Yorkshire pig dominates, known for its strong maternal traits and high productivity. Genetics play a critical role in determining growth rate, feed efficiency, and meat quality. Chapter 3. Breeding and birth. Breeding is a highly controlled process. On many large farms, artificial insemination is used to improve consistency and performance. Each procedure is carefully timed and managed. Every year, millions of piglets are born, but survival in the early stages is a top priority. Farmers closely monitor newborn piglets, ensuring they receive enough milk and protection from disease. Chapter 4. Early growth and development. In the first weeks of life, piglets rely entirely on their mother's milk. This stage is critical for building immunity and strength. They are vaccinated and kept in controlled environments to reduce mortality. After a few weeks, they begin transitioning to solid feed. At around 3 months, they are separated and moved to growth facilities. Feeding transition shots. Chapter 5. Feeding the herd. Feeding millions of pigs requires massive agricultural resources. Every year, tens of millions of tons of corn and soybeans are used as feed. These grains provide the energy and protein needed for rapid growth. Modern farms use automated systems to deliver precise feed ratios, ensuring each pig receives the right nutrition at the right time. Chapter 6. Housing and farm technology. Pig housing in the United States is designed for efficiency and animal monitoring. Barns are divided into sections based on age and size. Sensors and machines track pig health, detect unusual behavior, and alert farmers instantly. Ventilation systems control temperature and air quality, creating stable conditions year-round. Bedding materials like straw help manage moisture and maintain comfort. Chapter 7. Waste management. Large-scale pig farming produces significant amounts of waste. But modern farms turn this challenge into a resource. Wastewater is treated through advanced systems and reused for crop irrigation. Some farms even convert waste into biogas, generating energy while reducing environmental impact. Chapter 8. From farm to processing. When pigs reach 6 to 8 months of age, they are ready for market. They are transported to processing facilities where operations run at incredible speed. Across the country, thousands of slaughterhouses process pigs every hour. The process is divided into slaughter, cutting, and packaging. From there, pork products are distributed to supermarkets and consumers nationwide. Chapter 9. Economic Impact. Pig farming is a major contributor to the U.S. economy. The industry generates tens of billions of dollars annually, supporting farmers, workers, and supply chains. It is a system built on scale, efficiency, and constant innovation. Chapter 10. The future of pig farming. The future of pig farming is becoming increasingly high-tech. Automation, data tracking, and precision feeding are transforming the industry. Farmers continue to innovate, balancing productivity, animal welfare, and sustainability. From birth to market, raising pigs in the United States is a process driven by science, technology, and scale. It is one of the most advanced livestock systems in the world, and it continues to evolve, feeding millions every single day. This is Next Harvest Network,